The Meteorological Service has issued a flash flood warning for low-lying and flood-prone areas of St. Anne, St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon and Manchester. A flash flood warning means flooding has been reported or will occur shortly. This warning will remain in effect until 7 tomorrow morning. A trough across the Western Caribbean and Jamaica continues to influence the weather conditions across the island. Satellite imagery and radar reports indicated light to moderate showers across most parishes and especially central and eastern parishes since this morning and through this afternoon. The projections are for showers which could be heavy at times to continue to affect sections of eastern and central parishes tonight into Sunday morning. The Met Service says flash flooding is therefore imminent or likely over some low-lying and flood-prone areas of these parishes. Motorists and pedestrians should not attempt to cross flooded roadways or other low-lying areas as strong currents are likely, and residents in low-lying areas should be on the alert for rising waters and be ready to move quickly to higher ground. Meanwhile, the heavy rains have been wreaking havoc in several communities in Portland and St. Thomas, and TVJ's Dara Smith has more.
Another system affecting the island, and yet again residents in the eastern end feeling the effects. This is the Hordley crossing in St. Thomas, now impassable as a result of the Plantation Garden River overflowing its banks. Also left impassable, the Muirton Pen to Manchenial Main Road. This stretch of road has been blocked since yesterday. Our news team observed a Jamaica Public Service crew responding to a utility pole which fell in the vicinity of a bridge about 10 last night, leaving the community of Manchenial without electricity and restricting vehicular access to the area. Ray Fisher was one of the motorists inconvenienced by the downed utility pole.
The road around there was blocked from about after 11. Actually slept around there from about after 12 in the blockage and pull after 4. Come through and come around here. I'm stuck from about after 4 basically. I'm stuck right here.
Stuck again because about 2 kilometers away, this tree went down, blocking the main road.
When the road was pulled around there, we came around here, heard that this tree had fallen, and even though we heard that further down by Long Road there, there's other land slippage and other trees in the road.
And this is the Long Road area affected by a landslide and flooding from a drain. Residents say the drain was just too small to hold the volume of water which passed through their community Friday night.
About 8 o'clock, the rain started. The bank overflow, washed right through the shop. Mash up the fridge, soak the settee them. That I'm more than dead.
The residents told TVJ News that not only has there been damage to property, but their livestock has also been affected.
Even last night there was some cow down there.
About how many cows?
About 10 cows. Friend have to go and swim to pull them, cut the rope. And about 9 goat join over there since last night to this morning.
Dara Smith, TVJ News.